Regularly cleaning the drain filter on your Maytag MVW7232HW top-load washing machine helps keep the washer running efficiently and prevents drainage problems. Over time, small items like lint, coins, or debris can collect in the filter and restrict water flow. When this happens, the washer may drain slowly or produce unusual noises during the cycle. Removing and cleaning the filter only takes a few minutes and is an important part of routine washer maintenance. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the washer and disconnect it from the power outlet for safety. Step 2. Locate the drain filter access area, usually near the bottom front or inside the washer base, depending on the setup. Step 3. Place a towel or shallow container under the filter to catch any remaining water. Step 4. Unscrew or pull out the drain filter carefully and remove any lint, debris, or trapped objects. Step 5. Rinse the filter with clean water, reinstall it securely, and run a short cycle to ensure proper drainage.